Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Exams have been postponed a few days back. Students were even confused whether exams will happen or not happen. Even now, a lot of students are in two minds. They are thinking that the exams have been announced now, but later on they may again postpone the same. Friends, CA exams is more of a test of how much emotional load you can handle. I do agree that exams have got postponed, but please keep a cool mind and focus and prepare for the upcoming examination or the extended dates what has been announced by the ICAI. I have got a few points which I want to share with you right now, which should be considered by you while preparing for this rescheduled examination dates. Point number one, many students get relaxed thinking that I have got more time now. So let me not put in my 100%. I can rest a little bit and then go ahead and study. But friends, please understand, if you have got 4 days extra, everybody has got 4 days extra. So in these 4 days, whoever is going to utilize the best time in an optimal way without stressing themselves will be the ones who will get a leading advantage. So my request to all of you is that even though you have an extra time, please do not get complacent. Please give in your best, get some good sleep, take care of your health, but give in your best during the remaining time. Okay. Point number two, as I told you, CA is more of an emotional load handling capacity than only your academic intelligence. I can show you many people who are academically brilliant, but when it comes to CA exams, they're unable to clear because of the stress that they handle. So, as the days go by, we get already exhausted. Group 1 we have already written, and now we are writing group 2. So, take rest in between. Keep yourself emotionally also good. And one of the best ways to do that is by having a win-win buddy, a friend who is also writing the exam, a friend who should also win, you should also win. Together as a team, when you both stand, your emotional quotient will be much better. You will be able to perform better in the examination also. So please talk to the win-win buddy, and exercise is non-negotiable. Exercise for 30 minutes, not too much. But when you do this, it creates endorphins in your body. That is the feel good factor, so that you are sane, you are strong emotionally and mentally. And once the exams are over, then life is all yours, friends. Be free, go and live it however you want to. But these coming days, with a focused mind, please give in your best. I am with you. Take care. Thank you so much.